How to see how many times you have opened the TikTok app. To see how many times you have opened the TikTok app, first open the TikTok, then go to the bottom right corner and click on profile. After that, click on the top right corner at the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal bar menu. Then click on settings and privacy. After that, go to bottom and click screen time option. Then you can see there is a option named app opened. Click on app opened. Now you can see I have opened TikTok app for 17 times this week, and you can change this week to any week you want from the scroll menu. This is how you can see how many times you have opened TikTok app this week or the week previous, the week before. Thanks for watching.